Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will take the topic business environment and its importance. Dear students, to start a business, we need some ingredients. We need capital, we need manpower, we need natural resources. So, from where do we get these ingredients? Yes, we get these ingredients from the environment, from the society. So here business environment is the sum total of individual, institutions and other forces, the individual, the institutions and the other forces which are outside the control of a business enterprise. See, these forces are not under our control as these are the outside the business, but that may affect its performance. But these factors, these forces, these individuals, these institutions and the other forces may affect the business performance. So here somebody has rightly said, take the whole world, take the whole universe and subtract the organization itself, then we will get its business environment, which is not under our control and which may affect our organization. So I think meaning of business environment is clear to you. Now let's move on to some features of business environment. Number one here is interrelatedness. See, the forces of business environment are actually interrelated. For example, if the people become aware about their health, if they have become very health caring, then then how will it affect the businesses? It will increase demand for the diet coke, it will increase demand for fat free cooking oil, it will increase demand for gyms. Fine. So here the forces of business environment is interrelated. Number two is specific and general forces. Dear students, here specific means the factors which will affect only a particular business. Like I have a shop, I have a garment shop in a particular street और मेरी शॉप के साथ एक और शॉप खुल गई है. So will, और वो भी, that other shop is also of garment shop. So will this thing affect the whole market? No, it will affect only my business. एक कॉम्पिटिटर आ गया है, तो कॉम्पिटिटर जो है वो मेरा कौन सा फोर्स हुआ? स्पेसिफिक फोर्स. एंड जनरल फोर्सेस. हियर जनरल फोर्सेस, सी सपोज द गवर्नमेंट हैज started GST, goods and services tax. So will it affect my business or the whole market? Yes, it will affect the whole market. सबका ही टैक्स सबमिट कराने का प्रोसीजर चेंज हो जाएगा. So here GST is a general factor, whereas the competitors, the suppliers which affect only one single business is specific factors. Third feature is uncertainty. Dear students, business environment are very much uncertain. We cannot predict it. Suppose, for example, fashion industry is there. नहीं पता आज जो फैशन चल रहा है नेक्स्ट मंथ क्या फैशन आ जाएगा. इट चेंजेस वेरी एट अ वेरी फास्ट पेस. एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, कुछ नहीं पता कब कुछ नया इनोवेट हो जाए आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी में. सो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट इज एक्चुअली अनसर्टेन. नंबर फोर इज डायनेमिक नेचर. इट कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग वेरी फास्ट. And the last one is relativity. Students, here relativity means the factor which are affecting my business. कुछ फैक्टर मेरे बिजनेस को 80% अफेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो फैक्टर किसी दूसरे बिजनेस को भी उतना ही अफेक्ट कर रहे हो. सपोज मेरी शॉप के साथ, मेरी गारमेंट शॉप के साथ एक और गारमेंट की शॉप खुल गई है, तो दैट विल अफेक्ट माई बिजनेस। अब उसी स्ट्रीट में, उस स्ट्रीट को छोड़ दीजिए, किसी और एरिया में कोई और गारमेंट शॉप खुल गई है, तो क्या वो वाली शॉप मेरे बिजनेस को अफेक्ट करेगी? नो। जो शॉप मेरे साथ खुली है वो मुझे अफेक्ट करेगी, बट जो किसी और एरिया में खुली है वो मुझे अफेक्ट नहीं करेगी। या जो मेरे साथ में शॉप खुली है गारमेंट की, वो उस एरिया की शॉप को अफेक्ट नहीं करेगी। तो ये जो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट है, इसके फोर्सेस सेम टाइप से अफेक्ट नहीं करते सब बिजनेस को। किसी पर इसका इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा है और किसी पर इसका इम्पैक्ट बिल्कुल नहीं है या कम है। So these were about the features of business and environment. Now let's move on to importance of business environment. Students, the business environment enables the firm to identify opportunities in getting the first mover advantage. Opportunities क्या हैं? Positive ideas. जब आपको कुछ पॉजिटिव मिलता है बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट से, सो व्हाट इज़ दैट बिकम्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी। कुछ अच्छी चीज़ मिलती है करने को, दैट बिकम्स योर अपॉर्चुनिटी। और आप उस अपॉर्चुनिटी पर जब काम करना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो यू गेट द फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज। फॉर एग्जांपल नैनो कार, जिन्होंने नैनो कार मैन्युफैक्चर की, व्हाट दे रियलाइज कि आपका मिडिल क्लास पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है और स्पेस कम हो रहा है और पेट्रोलियम की डिमांड बहुत बढ़ रही है। तो इन फैक्टर्स को, दे टुक दीज फैक्टर्स एज अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड दे लॉन्च दिस कार, सो दे गॉट फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज। सो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट, वी नीड टू स्कैन बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट ऑन अ very frequently. Only then we will be able to identify the opportunities. Here number 2 is identify threats and early warning signals. Dear students, as opportunities are positive ideas, here threats are negative. See, when we keep on scanning the business environment regularly, then we get to know some threats also. And for threat, we can plan, we can adapt, we can change our plan, we can modify our plan according to the threats. For example, here Flipkart was the online Indian company. It was doing its business very well, but then Amazon come and the Flipkart did not scan the effect which the Amazon is going to put. तो Amazon ने बहुत बढ़िया मार्केटिंग की और बहुत बढ़िया और भी फीचर्स लेकर आए। तो Flipkart did not identify Amazon as a threat. नहीं पता चला उनको कि Amazon is going to affect their business. So they did not plan. And as they did not plan, they had to suffer. ठीक है, Amazon, Flipkart had to suffer and Amazon became the leader in online shopping. So here, what if they would have scanned the business environment very well, they would have got to know the effect of Amazon, but they didn't, so they had to suffer. So in this way, business environment helps us to identify the threats and early warning signals. Number C, helps in coping with rapid changes. As I told you that environment keeps on changing. Business environment is dynamic in nature. So to survive in this society, we also need to keep our plans. We also need to keep our products change according to that rapid change, so that we can survive in the society, so that we can grow in the society. Number D is helps in assisting planning and policy formulation. Dear students, as in point A and point B, I told you that there are some opportunities, there are some threats which are lying in our business environment. So we need to focus, we need to scan our business environment regularly, and after only that we can change our plans, after only that we can change our policies. so that we can survive in the society. Here the last one is helps in improving performance. If we keep on scanning the business environment, it improves our performance. We can change our resources, we can use our resources, we can utilize our resources very efficiently if we know the opportunities and threats lying in the business environment. So it was all about importance of business environment. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.